Go.
Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to describe our product. Actually, my name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Muhammad Fauzi.
My name is Muhammad Adi bin Aznan.
My name is Muhammad Faris Hakim bin Roslan.
My name is Muhammad Aziz Ali bin Nazaruddin.
So, our product is solar multipurpose docking station. As we know, mobile phone is an essential thing to human being. So why not we choose this alternative to keep our phone in a stable position while charging. It also gives more vintage and stylish look to our phone. For this product, there are several characteristics that me and my teammate emphasize. We use solar to charge the phone. Advantage of solar. Firstly, solar is renewable energy source. Of all the benefit of solar panel, the most important thing is that this solar energy is renewable. It can be used anywhere in the world and it's available every day. Secondly, it can save electricity bill. Since solar energy is able to provide the same need as you want by using electricity. So it will save your bill. How much you can save? It depends on the size of the solar system as well as electricity or heat consumption. Thirdly, low maintenance cost. This is because you just have to keep it clean, so cleaning it a few times a year is enough. Lastly, constantly developing technology development. Technology in the solar energy industry is constantly evolving and improvement will continue to occur in the future. Innovation in quantum physics and nanotechnology have the potential to increase the electrical input of solar energy system by double or perhaps even triple. So for the next slide, I pass to Adi.
Thank you, Shafiq, for your explanation. Okay. I will explain about the design of our project. So for the design, we choose a square size to fit our comfort while holding it. As we can see, notebook and pen storage is designed to make sure that we can maximize the space that we have. And also, we can use the space that we have here to put our copy on. Like as example, while we are doing our work, we can drink some coffee without splitting it on our paper. Furthermore, this charger dock is designed to ensure that we can charge our phone while doing our work. What is the special of this charger dock is there is no electricity is used. Placed behind the charger dock like this, huh? Okay, solar panel is placed behind the charger dock, so the energy became more efficiency. As we can see at here, there is a magnet is used to attach plywood to each other. What I mean here is we can close this multi-purpose solar docking station. So last but not least, for the design, we have this U-shaped size. It's cut at the corner that can able us to put our watch. Okay, I pass it to Faris Hakimi.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Adib. I can explain about use of solar multi-purpose docking station. Firstly, to facilitate the stability of the phone position while charging or watching movie. Secondly, also suitable as a place to hang the phone while or sleep. Thirdly, also suitable for phone placement while we are in the middle of a video call with someone or making a video presentation for an assignment. Next, to prevent damage to the phone while charging or watching a movie. And also can put personal belongings such as watches, glasses, and even ring or bracelet. Lastly, can also be used to place writing equipment while we are doing assignment based on notes in the phone. The next slide I can pass to Muhammad Azib.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Faris Hakimi. Today, I have to tell you about the function of our product. The first interesting thing about this product is the design is very unique and easy to carry anywhere because it is not heavy and not too big. In addition, this product can also make it is easy for consumer to place personal item neatly and clearly. This product also has solar energy to charge the phone. Thus, we can save electricity and do not have to worry if in remote areas that do not have electricity. And then, the design of this product is very modern and stylish too, so it is suitable for all age. Lastly, the material asked to make this product is guaranteed to be durable because it is waterproof, does not rust, and is easily to clean. Okay, lastly, for conclusion, in a nutshell, we think that this product will become a bestseller on the market based on what we have present today. A simple, elegant, and stylish product is a product that many people we are looking for. Oh, okay, thank you.
Thank you, and that's
Thank
all for our
you.
presentation.